Okay, good morning. Relation between mean free path and collision frequency. We know that collision frequency, that is the number of collision made by the molecule in 1 second, Z1 equal to root under 2 pi sigma square Bn, root under 2 pi sigma square Bn. Distance covered by the molecule in 1 second is V meter. So mean free path distance traveled by the lambda equal to molecule in 1 second over number of collision per molecule per second. Mean free path distance travel equal to lambda equal to molecule in 1 second over number of collision per molecule per second. So lambda equal to B over Z1. Substituting the value of Z1 in the above equation, lambda equal to B over root over 2 pi sigma square B1. So that lambda equal to 1 over root 2 pi sigma square B, pi sigma square N. B is cancelled. So 1 over root 2 pi sigma square N. We have to remember the number of collision made by a molecule in 1 second, root 2 pi sigma square Bn, and the distance covered by the molecule in 1 second B meter. The mean preferred distance traveled by the lambda equal to molecule in 1 second over number of collision per molecule per second. Okay, it's all about relation between mean preferred lambda and collision frequency. That's it. Thanks for watching and request you all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your attention. That's now. Bye bye. See you.